All right, we're here on our way to Britt Coffee Cafe, and best buy. Oh no, not best buy, but best price. All right, guys, we're here at the factory store at Cafe Britt. We just came here to get some coffee. I used to take the tour, but we don't even have to take the tour anymore, right? Fellas came up. We'll go over here. This is where the tour is. They got a little shop, but they take you on the tour. But we'll come back here. We're going inside right now. We're going to get some coffee. Came up, got to get the coffee. Our cab driver told us this is the best place in Costa Rica to come get coffee. I already knew, but because I've been here 7 times just to get coffee. But we're here again. Thank you, Jesus. La Casita, Britt Factory store. Got a cafe if you want to get something to eat. But we just came to get some cases. This is my load right here. I'm gonna put it on the plane. No, just kidding. But this is it. Hola.
Buenas tardes.
Buenas tardes. Bien, bien. Ah, my favorite Britt Coffee Factory. Look at this, guys. They got Costa. If you buy so much, they'll ship it for you for free. But why ship it when you can come here and get it? All these different brands of coffees and candies. Britt Coffee Tour. Guys, if you come to to Costa Rica, come get some coffee and cocoa and take back home to your family. It makes no sense for you not to do that, to get some of the best coffee in the world. Yeah. All right, I'm gonna give these guys some instruction because they probably don't. They've never been here before. Yeah, I got you guys. I'm shooting a little video. Is that cool? Yeah, we got. Who do we have here from Miami? I mean, from Florida.
It's Cleve right here.
Cleve and
Edgar.
Yeah, man. I got these guys going around to places around Costa Rica, some cultural spots. But this Cafe Britt is one of the most popular places that tourists come. But obviously, there are no tours today. It's Saturday and there are no tours. That's crazy. All right, we're about to get out of here. We just came up to get some coffee. Yeah.
Huh?
You guys know what I look like, so I'm just showing you guys. It's beautiful back here. They have nice tour, man. You can go back here. You can sample the coffee, kind of see the Costa Rican culture. Really nice. I got chills right now, man. I got chills on. It's okay. It's good. It's okay. Down here, you can go in here and look around. It's beautiful. It really is. They have a little room here to kind of show you like the process of the coffee. You can see the process of the coffee, like where it kind of starts. The seeding process goes around, nursery, the stages, coffee growing. It's really nice. And this kind of shows you the process. Nice. All right. So our Uber driver is showing Cleve how the coffee, the process. Oh, he's got some red coffee beans. Yeah, if you squeeze that bean, just kind of rub it in your hand, the red one, it kind of tastes like it'll pop out, and then it kind of tastes like a red bell pepper. If you eat the red part, eat the pulp in the red part. Kind of tastes like red bell pepper and like this Asian fruit called lychee. Kind of sweet, kind of. Yeah, that's. See that bell pepper taste?
Yeah.
Yep. That's what it is. Cafe Britt. I love coffee. I can't drink too much of it. Just Costa Rican, the good stuff I can drink. But that Folgers in your cup, nah, not me.
That was funny. Folgers in your cup, nah.